Interact with your audience by responding to comments, engaging in discussions, and fostering relationships with fellow entrepreneurs and influencers. 6. Be an authority and educator. Positioning yourself as an authority figure and educator in your niche is a surefire way to create a strong personal brand. Share your knowledge through blog posts, videos, tutorials, or webinars. Provide valuable insights, tips, and solutions to your audience's pain points. Establish yourself as a go-to resource, and you'll build credibility and trust among your followers. 7. Network and collaborate. Networking is a powerful means of expanding your reach and building connections that can benefit your personal brand. Attend relevant events, conferences, and industry gatherings where you can meet like-minded individuals, industry leaders, and potential collaborators. Collaborations with complementary entrepreneurs or influencers can expand your brand's visibility and attract a wider audience. 8. Give back and show authenticity. Authenticity is the cornerstone of personal branding. People appreciate genuineness and transparency. Showcasing your philanthropic efforts, supporting causes that align with your values, and sharing your personal experiences can create a deeper connection with your audience. Giving back not only benefits others but also demonstrates your authenticity and commitment to making a positive impact. 9. Manage your online reputation. In the digital world, your online reputation plays a crucial role in personal branding. Monitor your online presence regularly. Respond promptly and professionally to feedback and reviews. Strive to resolve conflicts gracefully. Consistently provide value and maintain a positive digital footprint to build a stellar reputation that reinforces your personal brand. 10. Stay true to yourself. Lastly, never lose sight of who you are and what you stand for. Authenticity is the key to building a strong personal brand. Remain true to yourself, your values, and your vision. Continuously fine-tune and evolve your personal brand without compromising your authenticity. Your uniqueness is your greatest asset. Title: Building a Strong Personal Brand as an Entrepreneur, continued. 11. Harness the power of storytelling. In addition to crafting your brand's narrative, storytelling is a valuable tool to enhance your personal brand. Share stories that showcase your journey, challenges, and triumphs as an entrepreneur.